Sa amin, sa Caritas, sa Episcopal Commission on Social Action, Justice and Peace of the CBCP, recently we talk about transparency in the automated election system. These are some points that we have discussed. Parang, di ba, ang mahalaga kasi sa amin yung transparency so far, no? Peaceful, orderly, and transparent elections. But this time is more of transparency. Una, no chance for voters to witness the counting of the votes. So that's one element that we are concerned about. How we do, paano natin malaman na properly counting yung nangyari. Pangalawa, mahirap gumawa ng protest because wala tayong access to information. Because we don't know what's going on in the counting. More difficult for us to complain or to make a protest. So the question is, how do we assure, or how COMELEC can address this, especially we realize that the area of improvement, for the COMELEC to see on this particular area of people participate, people can see and witness the counting process, to get rid of the doubts, of the voters. So what will be the alternative? yan ang aming tanong. What can be an effective alternative to the existing election system natin? Pangalawa, we are also very concerned. Recently, our bishops highlighted one of the advocacies that we are pushing, that Caritas Philippines is posing, is a good governance program. We call it Simbayanihan, Simbahan at Bayan. You can play with the words. And it's not just a program on election. We look at election as just one day, and the rest of the year is about governance. How people can participate actively, how we can address the ailing politics in the Philippines, patronage politics, family dynasty, all this. Now we are looking at the young people. I was sharing before our formal meeting. We initiated already. We talk about the young Davids. We look at two areas. First, the young people who are now in public service, we need to accompany them para hindi sila malalamon ng sistema. Now we are initiating already. I've been talking to young congressmen and women, brainstorming with them how we can partner. Kasi yung tatlong methods namin sa good governance sa Simbayanan, ugnayan, kalakbayan, bayanihan. So ugnayan is partnership, kalakbayan is accompaniment, and then bayanihan is working together. So that's one. And then in our youth programs, we will now introduce to the young people, politics is a vocation, a noble vocation. Consider it. Consider it. If you're interested to be a politician, to do public service as whatever position, prepare for it. and we will give you the assistance you need, no, kung hanggang makaya namin. And we are thinking, we set up Caritas Academy in Tagaytay. The bishops there are starting today, are having their executive course. We organize for the first time. We organize for the bishops on servant leadership and pastoral management today. Yan ang topics nila. Cardinal Tagle is there. We invited him to come to share with the bishops. So, ganun ang tinitingnan namin, no? These two areas, the election itself, how can we improve it in the area of transparency? And now we want to engage in a long-term program to address really strategically yung ating problema sa politics. Thank you po.